Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, I will show you EPS Styrofoam pallet mold CAD drawing. Plastic pallets are now increasingly replacing the EPS Styrofoam pallet. But because of its unique characteristic, EPS Styrofoam pallet is the lightest pallet. They are still play an important and irreplaceable role in the air transport. This customized EPS pallet mold you saw from this video with size 1203 mm for length, 802 mm for width, and the total height is 154 mm. For more information about EPS pallet mold, you can contact with us by email or leave your comments below. If you want to see more videos like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We would love to hear from you. If you got something you want to see me cover, please let me know. See you next video.